What's good, y'all? Happy start of the month. Hopefully, everybody had a good weekend. I'm gonna try to make this quick and relatively simple to explain. But I do have a lot of stuff on my chart right now. But first thing, as always, we're gonna start in the daily. We have a bunch of sell side liquidity stacked up here. I was originally bearish. We had bearish order flow for the time being. Um, but you could try to frame a reversal off of any of these swings. So obviously today we created a smart money reversal off of this swing point. Now we can expect this to go probably trade this high or these buy side liquidity. And we have our narrative. Narrative was initially bearish. Got down to the 4. Nothing really on the 4 except for this volume imbalance. And obviously these lows down here that we could take. Nothing too much to look at. Near open, we were in discount. We're tracing into potentially a premium gap here to go back down. So like I said, we were originally bearish, but we did have SMT here. So if we were going to go up, all I needed to see was a market structure shift on a lower time frame. And if we were going to go down, all I would need is a change in state delivery to continue the trend down. Up down to the 15. We were kind of in consolidation, took out the high, took out the low. But if we go back to the hourly, we created hourly SMT right here. So we had 2 stage SMT. Yeah, took out the low. Thank you didn't. And what were we in? A discounted fair value gap. So SMT in a PD array after a smart money reversal. And we have clear draws and liquidity. This gap, Asia high, London high, and potentially daily high. We're kind of just flying right now. Nothing really on the 15. Nothing really on the 5. But if you were looking to get in off of just pure market structure, you could have gotten in even above this high. But ideally, here, here. So either here, here, or here. Had our switch from bearish order flow to bullish on open. Like I said, all I needed was a switch in market structure, which we got here. And then we had SMT at these lows. So that was just another confluence. Got my entry after we displace on the second candle. Up slightly below this order block. For a 1, 2, 3. Alright, there you go. Yeah. Market structure shift, displacement, fair value gap, order block. Took out this high. You could have gone for a 1-to-1 even from right here to right here. Like 1 to 1.5, something like that. First CP, London. Second CP, Asia. Third, fully filling in this new week opening gap. Then there were some 30-second scalp opportunities in this area before we actually hit Asia high and fill in the gap. I did end up taking a 30-second scalp somewhere in this area too, but I don't quite remember where. Yeah, that's really it. 2 stage SMT, change in order flow, change in market structure, smart money reversal, and clear liquidity pools. This liquidity void here. Peace.